Okay, so now we're going to talk about evidence that change has occurred. So chemicals in our environment change constantly. Sometimes we cause these changes. At other times, the changes occur spontaneously without human interference. So evidence of a chemical change. So you can tell when a chemical change has occurred. Look for some of the following evidence. A different color is produced, an odor can be detected, bubbles appear or gas forms, a solid is formed during a chemical reaction, it's called a precipitate, or energy is given off in some form, such as light, heat, or sound, or it's absorbed, so if something gets colder, say. Alright, so energy and chemical reactions. So chemical changes always involve energy changes. Some changes are obvious and some are unnoticeable. So fireworks is an example of an obvious energy change. When fireworks explode, a huge amount of heat and light are given off. Rusting is an example of a chemical reaction involving an unnoticeable energy change. Would you believe that heat is actually released as energy rusts? The amount is so small that it takes very sensitive equipment to detect it. So knowledge of energy and energy changes is as important to society and industry. For example, gasoline is burned in a car engine. This chemical reaction results in the forward motion. It also produces heat. We need to know how much heat is produced so equipment such as a radiator can be designed to cool the engine. In this way, the heat produced by the chemical reaction does not damage the engine. So gasoline works gasoline working on an engine illustrates an exothermic reaction because it releases energy into its surroundings. The breakdown or metabolism of fats and carbohydrates is in the body also releases heat and is exothermic. Some chemical reactions, like photosynthesis, need to absorb energy in the form of heat or light. Plants use energy from the sun to produce glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Chemical reactions that absorb energy are called endothermic reactions. So this is all something that we've dealt with before. And that's it.